Hey guys, Stan Dale, President Florida Suncoast BMW. Hope you're doing well. Here it is, another Thursday or Friday night, and actually this is Thursday night tonight because tomorrow night I'll be in Orlando getting ready for Beamer Invasion. This Saturday we have two events going on here in Fort Myers, Cars and Coffee at the dealership. So come on out and join everybody at the dealership. I won't be there this week. I'm anchoring the Florida Suncoast tent at the Beamer Invasion in Orlando. 1,800, 2,000 BMWs will assault Orlando, and we're going to have about a dozen of our cars there for a show. So should be a good turnout. We'll have some videos and all that kind of stuff for you all over the Facebook and the website and all that. Should be a fun outing. So check out Cars and Coffee Fort Myers this weekend. If not, check out Beamer Invasion. And then watch for the photo reports coming in on each of those. On the 20th, we're at Jacksonville. Jacksonville is at the Seven Bridges Grill and Brewery. So check that out on the 20th. Al's outing on the 20th in Jacksonville. On the 24th, we have the joint drive to Pearl General Store. I think I'm going to say this town right. My Canopy. I'll probably brutalized that really bad. Somebody give me the details down below if you don't mind. Joint drive coming over from Ocala. Mary Beth's region is joining up halfway, meeting Al's region from Jacksonville to have a nice meal there on the 24th. Check that out at the Pearl General Store. On the second, let's see, can't even read my notes. Sarasota Cars and Coffee on the 2nd of March. And then on the 2nd of March, we haven't been to this place in forever and a day. We're going to cruise and chow at Chokoloskee. This is down south of Marco Island. It's this great little hideout place down there with some great food. Just a really cool place to go hang. Check out, that's going to be Anthony and Deb's venture down there. So cruise and chow down to Chokoloskee. I've got, if I can get on that, that happens to be birthday weekend. I'm going to be turning older on that weekend, so I may or may not be able to get away, but a lot of things happening. Here we go, and then go ahead and look into March, because we have a ton of things going on in the month of March already booked. So heads up. So until then, hey, thank everybody, and happy motoring. We'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye.